Sorry, I had to fix my shirt. Okay, so yesterday I was in math class and I had to take. Okay, so last Friday I was gone because I went to my Grammy's house, as you guys know, and so I left before I went to math class, and we took a test. And then last class we gotta look them over because like they were really hard, and so we were in our group and my math teacher comes up and she was all like, Cheyenne, why aren't you doing anything? Why aren't you looking over the test? Blah blah. I was like, we just looked over 2 pages. She's like, yeah, you only looked at them. You aren't doing anything. Also, like, no one's doing anything. I don't know what we did on the test. I obviously didn't do it. And then she made me sit in the front of the fucking class and retake that test, and I didn't even know any answer. So I just wrote my name on it. I was like, I'm not doing this. And then she's all like, you're gonna take a 0? I'm like, yeah, I don't even know what you're asking me to do on here. I can't do it. She's like, write your name on there. So I wrote it on there, blah blah, gave it to her. And then I asked her, I was like, can I go sit by who I was sitting by? And then she was all like, no. I'm like, why? She's like, because. I'm like, because isn't an answer. And then everyone started laughing. I hate her. Her name's Miss Jacobson, and she looks like an ex-porn star. Like, I'm not even kidding. Ask Keone. Didn't you have her?
Jacobson?
Yeah.
No, I had Euler.
Okay, well,
Euler was worse though, trust me.
Yeah, but Miss Jacobson, she looks like a freaking ex-porn star slash witch. Slash. Can't say slash. Okay, just say slash. Slash. Okay, I'm gonna kill myself, you guys. Slash witch. And she's really fucking weird. And she's creepy. And she always smiles like this. She's like when you say something to her. And then the other day she came up to me when we were sitting in class. She's like, Cheyenne, do you wake up in the morning and want to be more aggravating than the day before? I'm all like, what? And then she's like, do you wake up and want to be more aggravating than the day before? I'm all like, you're really rude. And then she's like, you don't think you're rude? I was like, no, not really. I'm just mean because I'm just mean. And she was all like, do you think being mean is fun? I'm like, yep. I love being mean to people. That's what I do. And then she was all like, you're hard on the outside but soft on the inside. I'm like, you don't know me. And then she walked away. And she walked away and everyone around me was laughing. And then one day she called me Sheena. She's like, Sheena. I'm like, my name's Cheyenne. I've been in your class for 8 weeks. You think you know my name by now? Then on the first day of school, she called me Shane. Like, what the fuck is her problem? She doesn't get her shit right. Hate her. I always like use people's phones and I don't have. I always use people's phones and I'm always like, I'm gonna kill myself. I'm in math class. I hate math. Like, I never understand it. I just sit there and pretty much copy everyone because they all give me the answer. I guess it's like someone said. So people always give me the answers because I always make them laugh and people are always nice to me in there. I don't know, but I'm just gonna kill Miss Jacobson and then I'm gonna cut her up into little pieces and I'm gonna hide her body parts all over the school and then it's gonna like haunt everyone because, you know, her parts will be all over the place. And and then she turned into a ghost. Speaking of ghosts, I swear there's a ghost in my science classroom. Like, I sit there and it's freezing. So I'm pretty sure Miss Schwab killed like 4 students and then she's hiding them under her little island that's in front of the room where she puts her computer and stuff. And because it's always cold in there, it's only cold to me by my desk. So there's a ghost following me, guys. So if I die one day, that's why. Because a ghost got me. Bye.